During the whole process, from when I first went to Optegra, I can honestly say it was 5-star. I work for a hotel group and I'm used to high standards. From the minute you arrive in reception, it's like they hold your hand through the whole procedure. Hello, Maxine McDonnell to see Mr. Morris.
Hello, Mrs. McDonnell, nice to see you. I've just checked you in. What's going to happen now is I'm going to take you through to the room next door and we'll just explain to you a little bit about what's going to happen today.
One of the things that we pride ourselves in at Optegra is that throughout your care you will be looked after by the same consultant. You will see that consultant before surgery. That consultant will carry out your surgical procedures and you will see that consultant after surgery. And that continuity, we feel, is of the utmost importance, and patients like the confidence they get from seeing the same people each time. At the first consultation, you'll be greeted by the patient liaison who will book you in. Then prior to seeing the consultant, you will see the technicians who will carry out some measurements on your eye. You'll then spend time with the consultant who will recommend what the best procedure for you is and discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the right procedure for you. I don't think you're suitable for laser surgery because that would only correct you at one distance. It wouldn't correct your golfing vision and your reading vision. But I think a Clarivu procedure would work for you, and that involves removing the natural lens of the eye, which has become hard and stiff. Procedure very similar to cataract surgery, but with sophisticated advanced technology lenses which we customise for you.
Prior to going down to Southampton for the surgery, my husband, my sister came. It was a proper family outing because I was nervous. I'll be totally honest. I don't want anybody to think, you know, I'm acting here. I was nervous. But the minute you walk in, they put your mind at rest.
Hi there, Maxine. Mr. Morris here. How are you? On the day of surgery, you're in the facility for about 2 hours, about 45 minutes to get you prepared, take your blood pressure, put drops in your eyes. Then the surgical procedure takes about 20 minutes, and then about half an hour to have a cup of tea and a biscuit before you go home. During the surgical procedure, the eye is completely anaesthetised with drops and solutions. We then use an antiseptic solution to clean the area around the eye, and then we put a light drape over the eye so that the rest of the face is protected. It's held off your face, it's not a claustrophobic feeling, and you can talk and chat to us during the procedure if you feel more comfortable doing that. Are you comfortable there, Maxine?
Yes, fine.
Good. Good. It's going really well. During the procedure, patients often worry, are they going to see anything happening? Well, the answer is you don't. All you see is a bright light, and because there's lots of water involved in the operation, often people describe a waterfall or lots of different pretty coloured lights, but you certainly don't see any instruments or anything around your eye. The procedure is entirely painless.
After you've had the operation, Optegra, both days of having the eyes done, they rang me to make sure the following day I was feeling fine, which I was perfectly, and then a couple of weeks later I went down, saw Mr. Morris for a checkup. So yes, absolutely perfect care.
So how have things been since surgery?
Amazing. I honestly can't tell you. It was as if a light had gone on in my life.
So following your surgery, you'll have a consultation to ensure that your eye has healed well and that you're happy with the results. You'll be greeted by the patient liaison, who you will know, and see the technicians for your eyes to be measured and assessed before seeing the consultant, who will again carry out a thorough examination of your eye to ensure that it's healed well.
If anybody was considering this, I'd say speak to me, because nobody was more scared than me. And I can honestly say it was no pain and an awful lot of gain from it, because it has changed my life. So it is a procedure that you're in the right hands, being at Optegra, and the product is perfect.